Okay guys, I know I'm not in amateur radio anymore, but I did want to show you guys a little tad bit of information here. So, say this is a repeater. We'll say 95 miles away. And you're driving along. I'll draw a little bike or something here. A car, possibly, if I can draw. Alright, so there's a poorly drawn car with an antenna on the top. So you are down at 250 feet and you're putting out 50 watts WTS. So there's a lot of obstructions in the way here. We'll just draw a line, a tree, a building. So as you can see, there's a lot of obstructions here. By the way, this video is called altitude. So you're at 250 feet. You obviously can't hit the repeater, but you can hear it. We'll say S3. 3 signal units. So you're transmitting to the repeater, but it's not coming back to you. So we'll say the car drives up this hill, which is, we'll say, 450 feet. Well, now I'll draw a little antenna here. You're able to get the repeater, but you're really noisy. We'll say up here, at the top, you're S1. Or S2. Actually. So now, you're higher than you were, but you're still not getting in. Why is that? Because there's still obstructions here in your way between you and the repeater. Now, if we go up another set here, we'll say you drove for about an hour, and now you're 1,250 feet in the air. Well, now, as you can see, the obstructions are cleared. So your car is up here, and you're getting the repeater S9, a solid copy, and here you were getting it at S5 at 450 feet. You're still putting out 50 watts, and I'm trying not to get too technical here. So basically what's keeping you from communicating is these obstructions. Mountains, buildings. I'll try and draw a tree here. A tree. Basically anything that can absorb RF energy. So here, you're able to get to the repeater, because you're high enough up where there's no obstructions in the way here. To visualize this, we'll say this is handheld A. It's both cell phones. And this is handheld B. So, to visualize, handheld A is at the start. Handheld B is up here listening to the repeater, which we'll say is 147360. So, at 50 watts through an amplifier, you're not going to hear anything. It's weak. You can't hear it. So you go up, following the line here. You go up, you still can't hear it very well because of the obstructions. And this unit can hear the repeater full quieting. So since you still can't hear it very well, you want to go up. What you're doing when you're going up is you're clearing more obstructions. So now Unit A can communicate with Unit B. And the general point of this is, in summary, the higher you go, the better you'll reach. Now, in some places, this isn't possible. For example, we'll take Florida. Florida is very flat, but it's not as flat as Oklahoma. So it all depends on where you live as well. If you live up in the Appalachian Mountains, on top of a mountain, you're not going to need a 50-foot tower. You can just use maybe a 20-foot tower with a beam on the top and talk, 50, 60, 70 miles, if not more, away on 10 to 15 watts. It all depends on your terrain, as shown here. So, I don't really have anything else for this video. I just thought I'd take the time to show you guys, visually, what happens when you're in a hole compared to when you're on top of a mountain trying to reach a repeater a very great distance away. Thanks for watching.